Hey, good morning. How's everyone doing today? Let's go. All right, can everyone see my screen, by the way? Hey, good morning. Sounds good. Let's get it. All right, so I'm gonna test something really quick. We're gonna test the delay. So what I'm gonna do is um, I'm just gonna say a random number, and as soon as you hear it, type it in the chat so that I can kind of determine if there's any delay. 23. Gotcha. Okay. Seems to be almost no delay there, so we're pretty good. Sounds good. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna be alerting on Discord as well. So, um, I'm gonna try to do it both ways, like I do normally. I can't promise that I'm gonna say eyeing this call on Discord, but uh, going to going to definitely post it on here or definitely talk about it, which call I'm gonna get. Now, with that said, one thing I really want to say, and I'm gonna pull up a Word document and write this. Um, this is something that I really want to go over. Yeah, this is gonna be recorded for sure. Yeah, you have to press the live button. Now, there's one thing I really want to go over before we start today, and that is gonna be um, a Friday trading strategy. Essentially, this is how this is gonna go. So we're gonna win bigs. We're gonna win big on the ones we win on, and we're gonna, our losses can be a little bit more. So with that said, 100%, what I'm saying here is do not go in with a large amount. These plays are meant to be going in with 5% or less of your account. If you go in with too much, I'm telling you right now, I am not even looking for a 10% stop loss. We might get stopped out at 20, 30%, maybe even 40% just because of how volatile the market is on Fridays. However, we have those big winners as well. So, like I said before, less is more. You don't want to be putting in, 10%, 20% of your account on a single play. So, with that said, the plays should be cheaper and we'll be able to, yeah, you'll regret over leveraging. And giving this heads up right away, if you lose massively today, it's because of sizing. Sizing is 100% key on a Friday expiration. I cannot emphasize that enough. Um, so just really put that out there. Um, so yes, option trading on Friday is a little bit risky, but essentially you can win big. You can really win big. Uh, so let's get it. Yeah, don't blow your week gains. Size in appropriately, size in smallly, and like I said, it's less is more. Don't put in a large amount because, like I said, we might have the plays might go like this. One play might go negative 20%. I mean, I try to stop out in a timely fashion. Uh, two, like the second play might go 150%. But if you over leveraged on this one or over positioned, then that's where it's going to hurt you. So please make sure that you size in appropriately. Yeah, you can use next week's expiration. With that said, these are the stocks that I'm going to be eyeing for today. I don't know why. Day trading usually gets a bad rap. It's mostly because of people not having an appropriate strategy to day trade. Sizing is key, risk management, all those things. No meme stocks. Yeah, I have my meme stocks up on this other chart over here. Um, we'll see. Kind of want to keep an eye on AMC. Yeah, I think Docu should move higher. I think a lot of these should move higher, essentially. 5 too. I mean, I like 5 as a stock, but I won't lie, the spreads are horrendous on this. So I don't even know if I'll be playing this. So yeah, I'm gonna keep AMC, Bed Bath and Beyond, all of those like on watch. I'm gonna set kind of an alert just in case it crosses over. So I'm setting alerts on these right now. All right, let's see what we got here. Hey, what's up? Let's kill it today. Hey, sugarism. Bidu and T-Doc. Um, take a look at those. Just pull them up for. Okay, T-Doc doesn't look half bad. BIDU. BIDU looks pretty good. But let's pull. I like T-Doc to be honest. They all look good. Should I sell DKNG at open? We'll alert if we sell. Is there a best way to manage risk? Okay, so one thing I will say, on a Friday expiration, if you're trying to sell your contract, so let's just put out an example here. Let's say the bid is 0. Let's say 0.6. The mid is 0.62 and the ask is 0.64. Unless the spread between these are something crazy, then I'd aim for the bid to sell at, just so you don't get you don't get caught up in having to modify the order and keep going and going because eventually if you get caught in that trap of like recycling, you could end up selling at like 0.5 or something like that. So it's always best if the spread is not wide, just wait or just try getting out at the bid. If the spread is wide, like let's say it goes to, 0.6, the mid is $1, and the ask is 1.4, then typically I'd say, okay, if you can fill at 0.8 and you're okay with that loss, then it's okay. If not, then I'd wait for it to settle. Friday expirations have a tendency to just sort of widen a little bit, but they always come back together typically. So, um, once again, sizing is key. I can't iterate this enough. Sizing is key, 1000%. To get filled on a new Webull layout, check out my video I made on Webull, but essentially, you're gonna want to like click the um the plus and minus button on the actual like call, like the actual limit price. That's the easiest way I found to do it, because like if you slide up that thing, it just doesn't work to hit the mid price and the ask and all that. So these are our calls for today that we're essentially looking at. Ah, GFV. You don't really have to worry too much about good faith violation. I probably have like 3 or 4 of those. I think 3 of those. Yeah. What is the best confirmation for a setup? Support resistance, a breakover resistance, using it as support. Okay, so you never want to buy in um at the mid price, because if you buy in at the mid price, what's going to happen is it's not going to fill. You want to go in like between the mid and the ask, or at the ask. Let's see. Yeah, that's okay if you can only trade settled cash. Yeah, you don't have to worry about that. That's the same thing with me. That just really applies to deposits. Now, Andrea, see you said there you're trying to friend me. Just DM me. My username is R2K Shot Caller on Discord. So, let's see. If I just pull this up here, um, R2K Shot Caller right there. So just DM me, 4961. So R2K Shot Caller, 4961, and that's gonna work. Uh, oh, okay, gotcha. Um, I I know who you are now, but essentially, I think somebody told me you're asking. Yeah, just DM me. How do you close your positions so fast in the Webull app? Let's see. Go to the main screen where it says My Positions, and you're gonna want to close from there. I'll be honest, I hate the new Webull layout, but no. Yeah, I have Nvidia as well. I'm looking to I might even swing Nvidia into next week. Snow doesn't look half bad. Also keeping General Motors on watch. Yeah. Webull has yeah, the Webull desktop app is pretty nice. I just don't use it as much. Are you using a special scanner to find the strikes with the highest volume? It seems impossible to locate it quickly. You even locate strikes that are days or week till the expiration. Yeah, so I mean it's kind of like I created multiple scanners for all that, but more of it's just eyeing those reversal plays. I don't know how to explain it. It's more of intuitive. Like if you, I'm sorry to hear. My condolences on your behalf there. I'm gonna be live for about an hour, hour and a half or so. Um, I'm gonna post the recording though on my YouTube channel. Now, with your question about the strikes, yeah, it's more of intuitive. I just look for the ones with the highest volume. Um, if I know that a stock might take a little bit longer to move, I just roll out for a longer expiration. What platform is this? This is TradingView. Yeah, Webull on mobile right now is it's not, well, I wouldn't say it's terrible. I just hate the new layout. I absolutely hate it. There's one like I wouldn't care if they like adjusted the watch list or anything like that, but there's one huge downside to it. Where do I get the data for scanners? It's on the Thinkorswim. I get it off of Thinkorswim, so the API. BlackBerry isn't looking half bad. Um, yeah, I'm gonna call it live trades. The indicator for bottom tops. So this is Cobra Algo. Um, so I'm gonna type it in, and the code you're gonna want to use. We refresh the code. It's R2K Trading 18. So I'm gonna send this in the chat. You're gonna get a free uh 3-day trial. So you get a free 3-day trial, no credit card required, and using that code you'll get off your membership every month. And this is the auto support, auto resistance. I don't know why it's done like that. The code is R2K Trading 18. Just remember that. There we go. So I just sent it up there. That's for Cobra Algo. 300 people in here. Yeah, there was one live I did where we had like 900 people. That was pretty insane. How much a month? It's about $39.99 a month, but with the 10% off, you'll get like I think it comes down to like 36, 35.98 or something. It's definitely worth it though. Like I use it for almost for all my plays. Uh, yeah, so I'd say there's about a 5% tolerance to get in. If there is a lag, I'm going to try my best um, I'm gonna put out eyeing this call and stuff on, yeah, I use Flow Algo on Discord. So I don't know, watch, it's probably gonna log me out. I'll be surprised if it doesn't. Oh, no, it didn't. Yeah, I use Flow Algo. So you don't use TradingView. Yeah, I use TradingView. This is TradingView right here. This is the volume indicator at the bottom here. It's completely free. I'm gonna put that out on my channel as well, like later today, the indicators that I use. So yeah, with that said, I'm gonna be talking on here. Yeah, you can get the yearly membership. That's the 10% discount using R2K Trading for Cobra Algo. Now, with that said, I'm going to once the trading day starts, I'm gonna be alerting on Discord as well. Um, I'm gonna try my best to make that possible so that it's going to like even it out if you're not if the stream's just even a little bit delayed. So you're catching it on both sides, but you're gonna hear me talking through the process as well. Can you do a test on Discord so I can see which one is faster? Um, no, Flow Algo doesn't alert you. You have to do like manual analysis. Roku, I wouldn't really be looking at puts today. You have SPY moving to the upside. I probably wouldn't be playing puts at this point. Wow, Ford is moving. Uh, yeah, I'm trading 0 day expiration. I'm gonna send out a message in Discord. So I misspelled that, but uh, yeah, you get it. Yep, there we go. Yeah, so yeah, don't worry. I'm going to be alerting on Discord as well, but you'll hear me talking on here. So like I'll say like, I'm eyeing this contract and all that. So like essentially you're gonna hear it from both sides, but it's gonna help you a lot from here and you'll see what I'm seeing. Yeah, you wanna go in with 5% or less. Yeah, make sure at the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna type this in the chat. At the bottom next to the speaker, uh on the YouTube video, click the live button till it turns red. All right, I'm gonna pin this. Okay. Yeah. So please make sure that you do that. Hey, what's up? Yeah, sorry, I wasn't talking. Hey, good morning. Yep. Keep sharing the screen. Share it to anyone. You can share it to family members, anyone that wants to learn option trading, because today we're gonna make some money. So let's do it. Let's go. There's 1 minute left. Um, we have a lot of calls that are looking to break out at open. I'm mainly going to be looking at MDB and Docu. All right, there we have market open. Let's see what we're doing here. So we have Docu trying to break out. Wow, these stocks are getting some huge volume. Um, Docu looks really good. It's gonna be very hard to get filled in some of these plays, but let's see. Our MDB strikes are all over the place. I'm pulling up Nvidia. Let's see. I'm gonna be looking at that Nvidia. Let's see. The 720 strike. So right now I'm eyeing the Nvidia 720 call for 6.4. We'll see if we get a breakout here for this to run. All right, there we have Nvidia pushing a bit. Um, all right, I'm gonna jump in this Nvidia call at 0.6. Let's see if we can get a better push on this. So right now we're at 0.7. There we go. Moving up a little bit. So we're at 0.72. All right, we're currently at 0.7 here. So 0.6 was the ideal fill. We're currently at 0.68. You can sell some, scale out of some at 0.7 if you'd like. Overall, we're still in a slight uptrend here. So keep a stop loss is at break even. Right now we're at 0.65, 0.67-ish. All right, even if there's a slight delay, I'm going to be alerting on Discord as well. So far, the mid price is holding steady. Remember, we have that stop loss at break even. Currently at 0.66, 0.67. There's 0.7 on it. Next scale out is 0. Well, not scale out. The stop on the rest is at break even. No, you can't get rid of the option expires alert. Alright, so I am stopping out the rest at break even. Let's see. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to make the same mistake as last Friday. I'm going to hold these contracts. They're currently at 0.6, so I'm just going to hold the rest as a lotto. So, holding rest of contracts as lotto. So, once again, you know what a lotto means. Risk what you can. Yeah, you're going to have to reactivate that live button. I'm not sure why it does that, but let's see. Yeah, Docu is trying to push upwards. See what other stocks we have that are moving. There's Nvidia. Nvidia is still pushing here. Yeah, I'm using OBS. Oh wow, look at Facebook. We might get a continuation candle on Facebook, so I'm gonna pull that up. Let's see. If I did play Facebook, it would be that 332.5 call. All right. No, I didn't fill on Facebook yet. I'll let you guys know if I fill. I'm gonna type everything in the Discord too. Gotcha. I'm gonna take a look at the bit rate and all that. All right, so I'm looking at this Facebook call, the 332.5 strike. It's at 0.2, so what that means is that we're going to want to go light on this just because of the tendency for it to fluctuate fast. Ideally looking for a breakout here, so once we get that, we can roll in. Docu isn't looking half bad. There's MDB. Wow. Yeah, the MDB calls are kind of all over the place. All right, I'm eyeing the Docu 220 call. This one isn't going to be an easy one to get filled on. Yeah, this one already ran. All right, let's try to jump in another call here. Yeah, Docu flew. Tilray. I had Tilray up earlier. I don't know where it went. Let's see. UPST. See if we can get a. Wow, UPST is going. May even be able to get a play on it. Nvidia is a lotto. I held the rest of them. So let's see, what are we at? 720 and 0.35. I'm gonna cut at 0.3 on Nvidia. Wow, Docu is really moving. Facebook. UPST, it has June 18th calls, so they're going to be very expensive. Maybe able to get a play on that Facebook call. MDB. Yeah, MDB is moving like insane, but the problem is the spreads are so bad on it. Like if you played this, it's extremely risky. Yeah, Docu, oh my god. Docu is an ideal play. I couldn't alert that one fast enough. Let's see. Nvidia is moving back up. Wow, GameStop is trying to move. Like Nvidia's gonna get ready to move now. Alright, I'm gonna jump in more Nvidia calls at 0.6 because I think we can that might have been on just a live stream play. This is gonna be there we go. So there's the alert on Nvidia. Wow, look at that. There's 0.7. We're looking for a little bit higher. The previous Nvidia call is in the green. We are back in the green. Doesn't matter where you got in from, you're gonna be green here. What are we currently at? 694.8. So there's 0.7 again. Stop loss on the rest is at 0.63. All right. Currently around 0.60, 0.62. I'm going to stop out the rest. All right. UPST is trying to get some volume here. Got you. All right, looking for another call here. Let's see, what's Dash doing? Somebody mentioned Dash earlier. I should probably, Dash doesn't look half bad, but I'd wait on the volatility, see if that comes around. Let me check my scanner, see if we can kind of figure out anything else. Wow, looks like we have a lot of stocks hitting here. Let's see. Clove. Put on some fresh stocks on the screen. mRNA. This one was supposed to break out since yesterday. I'm going to take off UPST just because I'm not using it. By the way, whoever picked up UPST shares with me after earnings, those are almost 100%. Let's see. Tesla. Roblox. All right, let's see what Roblox is doing. Oh, Roblox looks really good. I'm pulling up Roblox right now. I think we can capitalize on this. This is almost exactly where we got in yesterday. So I'd be taking that Roblox 105 call if I got in. All right. So I'm eyeing the 105 call on Roblox for June 4th expiration. I'll let you know if I enter. I'm entering in at 0.6. All right, so we are now at 0.72. I think we can get a few. There's 0.72 on Roblox. 0.75. Wow, we are rocketing. 0.8. Look at that. Beautiful candles on Roblox. All right, we can sell some at 0.8, or right now it's at 0.7, so we'll take that. 0.75, actually 0.8 now, so we can get out some. All right, so what I'm going to do is, right now we're currently at 0.8. We can sell all but one, keep the last of the lotto. And with that lotto, the stop loss is going to be at break even. So there's Roblox moving a little bit more. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to do Discord or Zoom. Zoom's limited to like 100 people. But YouTube live stream, yeah, there's gonna be delay. If I try it on here, there's gonna be delay. If I try it on Twitch, anywhere, there's gonna be delay. But I'm gonna try my best to wow, Nvidia, holy crap. What happened to Nvidia? Nvidia just mooned, but that 720 call didn't move anywhere. It's actually insane. Yeah, that 720 call didn't really move. Okay, I'm pulling up Nvidia. If we get a break over 700, this will be good. So ideally, I'm eyeing the Nvidia 720 call. But once again, we're looking for a break over 700. Yeah, the zero. Yeah, it's at 0.6. Yeah, this is it's pretty insane that Nvidia moved up and that call didn't really go anywhere. So, in fact, I might even go closer to the strike just to be safe, closer to the stock price. So let's see what other strikes we have because I don't like how uh it doesn't work. So if I did fill on Nvidia, I'd probably go with the 710 strike. So here we go. Roblox is moving still, so we still have some calls on that, or just one call. Docu seems to be getting some volume. That 105 call is still around 0.7. 720. How are the seven? Yeah, those 720 premiums on Nvidia or something else. I don't know what's wrong with them. Tesla looks like it wants to move a little bit. Docu would have been a nice play today. Let's see. Tesla going back to 600. Let's see. Yeah, Nvidia is the same for me. Why is Tilray tanking? It's probably losing volume. So Nvidia, the 710 strike is currently at 1.6 for me. Twitter. Yeah, Nvidia, the premiums are a little bit expensive, so really looking for that 710 call. Okay, I'm gonna jump in the 710 call at 1.6. All right, our stop loss on this is gonna be at 1.5 in the worst case scenario. So what I mean by stop loss at 1.5 is that we might actually get filled around like 1.4 or so. So that's just accounting for that. All right, Nvidia's at 1.7. You can scale out of some if you'd like. Remember, we're looking for those gains. So there is 699. Wow, Nvidia's spiking. There's 1.8, 1.9. So we're targeting 2 for our first scale out. There is 1.98 on Nvidia. And Nvidia is moving now. Let's see, we are now at 2.1. There's Nvidia going through the roof. So our next target is 2.15 to sell half those runners. There is 2.15. There's Tesla moving up. Roblox is still hanging around at the same price. All right. And we are going to sell the rest of Nvidia calls at break even if it hits that. There we go. We are all out of Nvidia calls. This one can still move back up, but I'm ready to go on to another play. Yeah. I'm alerting on Discord as well, so you should be getting close fills here. RKT, I'm eyeing RKT. This one is a nice one that likes to spike. All right, I'm closing Roblox, our last lotto on it. It's going to be at 0.55. There we go. And there's Nvidia back up for anyone that is still holding. I'm going to jump back in. One Nvidia call, 710 call for a complete lotto. So you don't have to do the same. Once again, by complete lotto, I mean I'm willing to risk it all. This is just very high risk. You don't have to take that as an official alert. Let's go on to another play. Don't worry, there's going to be more plays. Hey, let's go. 1300 to 1530. That's the growth I like to see. Yeah, sorry about that. It accidentally cut off. Reason for Nvidia to pull here. Yeah, so Nvidia is a 700 call. Or not 700. The level to break is 700. Let's see that Nvidia call for next week that we're swinging. That I have the 611 720 call. So let's see here. The 611 720 call is at 8.55. Let's see. Hit a high of 9.5. So I'm still swinging this. I'm just going to leave this lotto. We're going to swing it into next week. But essentially, that is 171% gain. This is the 611 call on it from yesterday. Like I said before, you can swing this one if you'd like. RKT, you were right. I forgot to look at RKT. Clove is moving up. I feel like meme stocks are coming back. UPST. Wow. I still think RKT has some more juice in it. So I'm just going to pull it up. I think we can get a nice break over 20. Especially being a Friday expiration, it'll be an easy one to push. A 20 call doesn't look half bad. Alright, I'm entering the RKT 20 call at 0.26. Everyone should be able to get filled on this one. There we go. And we have liftoff. There's 0.3, 3.2, 3.6. Look at that. We already have a huge breakout on this. Could sell some at 0.4 here. The rest you can keep a stop loss down or stop profit down to 0.3. Alright, we're back at 0.35. We can move up a little bit more on RKT. So RKT is still hanging out around there. Yeah, I've been working on, I put out eyeing this alert on the plays in the Discord. Um, yeah, I've been working on, I put out eyeing this alert on the plays in the Discord. Um, and I'm putting out the plays timely too. So I understand the stream may be delayed. There's nothing much we can really do about that, even if we do anything else like um, Twitch or any other platform, it's still going to be the same. All right, we can close the rest of RKT at 0.3. All right, let's see if we can get another fire play in today. Looks like we have meme stocks kind of coming back here. I'm actually pretty interested in this AMC type move right here. I know there's many that aren't fans of the meme stocks, but I think we can get a good play. What? Roblox is flagging. Five doesn't look half bad. The only problem is that the premiums are messed up on it. They're all over the place. Not something you'd really want to play. Let's see if we can get another play on something here. Docu doesn't look half. Yeah, I'm looking at Docu and MDB right now, actually. Um, MDB is nice. The only problem is, like I said before, the premiums are very wide. Um, I'm not really 100% sure how we play this one. Let's see, Docu. Um, really, I'm just looking for some movement here. All right, what stocks are you guys looking at? Could drop some in the live stream. Roblox huge flag. I guess we can get another play on Roblox. Tesla. So to be honest, Tesla can push more. I didn't even realize I had it up again, but I just I don't think I'm too much of a fan of playing Tesla on a Friday expiration. Airbnb, Twitter. All right, let's see. I think off of one of these stocks we should be able to get a play. Roblox doesn't look half bad. Docu doesn't look bad either. This one can actually spike and probably go up. Gonna keep a close eye here. I think we can get some nice movement. We could probably pull off another play. All right, there's Docu getting some momentum. Is it BlackBerry? BlackBerry isn't really doing anything. Netflix, that's a popular one. Wow, Netflix doesn't look that bad. Yeah, Roblox is literally a huge bull flag. Uh, really, we needed to break above 102 before we get in for any type of play. Docu doesn't look half bad. Yeah, Netflix isn't that much on volume. Let's see what we got here. I think we can knock out a little play on Docu. Let's see. Check Facebook. Wow, Facebook is getting some volume. Yeah, Docu moved too fast to get in. Let's see. Roblox, yeah, Roblox does look really good. I think we may be able to pull off just another play on it. So, let's see. If I entered, it would be the 105 strike. I'm not entering as yet. I really want to see a break above before I enter. This Docu candle would have been ideal to get in on. You can see a lot is falling off the cliff right here. Let's see. All right. Yeah, this type of sideways movement on a Friday expiration is going to um, kind of burn your calls. But right now for Roblox, we're kind of looking for this um, break above before we enter in anything. All right, I'm going to jump in Roblox. Oh, never mind. There's can't really. All right, we're currently at 0.9. Let me keep a stop loss at 0.7 on this. So you can stop out here if you did not exit. The ideal exit was already given out. It went up. Yeah, so you got in 0.82, out 0.91, in 0.76, out, yeah. So, okay, if you're trying to trade on Thinkorswim, let me just put that out there. Unless you're really good with the desktop platform, then to be honest, trading on the desktop is going to be pretty hard. Docu is flying. Um, Yeah, I'd love to kind of pull off another play here. I think we can kind of I do like Docu as a play. Kind of pull off a nice play on it. So keep a watch. I wouldn't play puts right now, regardless. Like when the market's pumping, it doesn't really matter usually if a stock's going as well. I just don't really like playing puts. I don't like playing against the market. What brokerage do you recommend? I highly recommend Webull or just really any platform that you feel comfortable that you can really place orders quickly that you're familiar with and so on. Oh boy, there's Docu. Neo. So check my video I put on my YouTube on Webull to on how I get in and out so fast on the new platform. Neo actually looks really good. Whoever said that, thank you. I think we may be able to get another fill on that. TIGR. Isn't that penny stock? Oh no, it isn't. All right. Hey, what's up? Yeah, I know. Neo 6-4 expiration would be pretty nice. FedEx for a bounce. GameStop looks like it wants to come back again. eBay. QS has a 28 call. I'm in Neo already. Neo, you ideally want to wait for a breakout above. I always wait for confirmation on the plays before I get in. Actually, Boeing might be able to give us a play. I just saw this one in the corner of my eye. If we get a next green candle here, this would be a nice play. Oh, Zoom is also breaking out with Docu. Because those two run together. XPEV is trying to move. CRM. You have a lot of stocks that are trying to make some movement. XPEV actually looks pretty good. Let's see what the strikes look like. So I'm pulling up XPEV. If I got in, it would be that that 37 call. Okay, I'm jumping in the XPEV 37 call at 0.5. And we have liftoff. So stop loss on this is at 0.45. Take profit is going to be around 0.6 plus. That's what I'm saying. Even if the stream is behind, I'm still posting on Discord. Set play is currently at 0.54. Yeah, I see zoom here, zoom spiking. Alright, there's a stop loss hit on the rest of XBEV there. Now, what we're going to do is, because it seems as if the stream is delayed, I'm going to focus more on posting on the Discord. So you can just follow along with the audio, but I'm going to focus more on posting on the Discord itself. Yeah, I'm gonna do eyeing and all that. Um, yeah, I think that's gonna make it a lot better because I think the YouTube delay is gonna hurt a little bit. GameStop is trying to move up. RKT is trying to break out again. This might give a play. Let's see. RKT doesn't look half bad. Boeing, yeah. Once again, I'm going to be alerting on the Discord mainly. And I'm going to put eyeing this play and all that just so we can kind of stay on the same track. You can use YouTube to follow along with the charts and more. Oh wow, AMC is getting some movement here. Let's pull up AMC, see if we can look at those strikes, see if we have any movement on those. 70 strike has a ton of volume, 60 strike as well. Yeah, I apologize for the delay that there may have been on the actual live stream. Let's see. AMC doesn't look half bad. Yeah, I'm looking at AMC kinda. Um, just waiting for it to come around really. So I'll put out if I'm eyeing the call. So no fill on AMC as yet. Let's see if we can pull another call here. There's what's this called? GameStop going crazy. Dash is moving. If I get into AMC, I'm trying to get in under $3 on that 60 call, just to limit risk. Once again, that's going to be the AMC $60 call. Dash is getting some movement. Um, XPEV is back. Yeah, I see that. AMC is one we really have to be wary of if we're taking the call. What are you calling on AMC? I'm looking for the 60 call. If I get in, yeah, I'm trying to get in under 3 limit. Once again, I'm not in as yet. I'm going to alert when I am in. Wow, BYND is getting some serious volume here. All right, I'm going to jump in that AMC call at 2.75. So our stop loss on this is at 2.5. So there's AMC. AMC is struggling a little bit here. Okay, there we go. Finally, we have breakout on AMC. Took forever. Let's see, what are we at? We are at 2.8. This one's bouncing around. Please try to get your fills on it, like to exit. Facebook. Yeah, I see Facebook here. Oh boy. A lot of these stocks are spiking. Alright, you can stop out of AMC if you haven't. We're going to move on to another play. I think we have a big play coming up here. Can make up for a lot of these. Airbnb, somebody said. Alright, I'll look for one that we can kind of, smaller call that we might be able to. Facebook doesn't look that bad. And video looks really good. Um, Alright, so we're looking at NVIDIA here. We might be able to get a play. Alright, it's a 710 call we're looking at. Alright, so I just put out NVIDIA play there for the 710 call. Everyone should be able to get in on this one. There goes NVIDIA. Haha, caught it just in time. Okay. Everyone should have been able to get in on NVIDIA. That one was a very timely play. There's 1.5. It's a beautiful play. Wherever anyone got in, you're going to be bright green. So this is the play here. Look at that. $2 on NVIDIA. We are now up 100 per contract plus. Stop loss on the rest, stop profit is going to be at 1.9. There's 2.2 again on NVIDIA. Yeah, if there's a 5% difference on the alert, you can get in. There's about a 5% tolerance. Alright, so I'm all out of NVIDIA at 1.9. No, you can't really turn off that prompt. NVIDIA should rock it again too. What's it called? The 720 call we have for next week. Yeah, the 720 call is back up for anyone that's holding. Boeing looks like it might give a play here. For NVIDIA, that's a good question. NVIDIA was a break of the 700 resistance. I knew that once it broke 700, it would get a push upwards. Airbnb could be a good one. I would say use limit orders. if you're trying to get filled and it's moving, then try to fill at the ask. I know a lot of people tend to hit the mid price, and that's not going to go through sometimes. Maybe if you're selling, it might go through, but not always. Normal position sizing on a Friday expiration could be anywhere from 5 to 10%. You always want to go in lower just so you can manage risk better. Docu looks ready to move. Alright, so I'm looking at Docu here. I think we may be able to get a play on it. So Docu 230 call. It's going to be a very light play if I get in. still like this docu play. I think we can get a play off of it. Alright, I'm going to jump in this play. Let's see, can I get into it? I'm not sure if I'll get a fill, that's the problem. Alright, I'm jumping into this play at 0.95. There we go. We have some movement on docu. There goes docu. There's 1.1, 1.12. Selling some at 1.1 just to be safe. In hindsight, that might not look like a lot, but from 0.95 to 1.1, it's over like 18%-ish. So there's 0.95 back. Remember, always keep a stop loss at break even wherever you get into. So there's 0.9. We are going to stop out the rest. Bed Bath & Beyond does look pretty good. I think for now we're gonna have a lot of plays that are gonna move a little bit sideways. There's AMC trying to break above again. So Bed Bath & Beyond doesn't look half bad. It's more of just it needs to break above. MGM. Let's see. So there's Bed Bath & Beyond trying to move. May even be able to. Yes, set your stop according to your own entry. Okay. What I'm gonna do actually right now is I'm gonna pause here And let's just go over some technicals. So obviously I said sizing is key. Now, wherever you get in, you always want to set your stop loss at break even. So set your stop at break even whenever a play goes green. Now remember, on Friday expirations, a 10% loss can turn into, 20% or 30% really quickly. So it's key to make sure you're taking those gains. Key to yeah, set your stop according to your own entry. Uh so let's see. What broker are you using? Um yeah, break even stop loss is key. I mean, that's exactly it. You might be thinking, okay, if I don't set my stop at break even, um, like I'll be able to hold that play longer and it's going to go green or essentially anything like that. But you really want to remember that, um, yeah, you don't know which play is going to go from like -10 all the way up, or which play is going to go from 10% to 50%. You're using Webull. How do you set stop losses on Webull? You could do a stop limit or a stop market. On Friday expirations, I recommend a stop limit. Yeah. Or yeah, I don't set a stop loss. I literally do a mental stop. That's why I tell you, like literally, um, right here, uh, in my alert, I said, uh, you'll notice, I essentially said, um, we're looking to stop out at 0.9 to 0.95. 0.95 is break even, but to even get filled at that on a Friday expiration, it's going to be hard. Yeah, these videos do get saved, so make sure you remember this. Sizing is key on a Friday expiration. I can't iterate that enough. There's AMC getting some volume, GME as well. You may be able to get a play on AMC or GME. AMC is breaking 54. Airbnb is breaking above. Let's see. Nvidia. Yep, there's Nvidia breaking above again. We still have that 611 call. That is at 9.03. No, you have to manual cancel it and then place it again. That's why I do a mental stop loss. Airbnb is breaking above. Google? Oh boy. Well, y'all know that I love Google. There's Airbnb. Yeah, AMC is pushing. How do we determine if there's a gap? Yeah, there is a gap to fill in Docu for sure. If you want to determine if it's going to push more into next week, you have to go on the daily chart. I know that Docu has a lot more upside though. Facebook. Oh, yeah, Facebook is running too. That one can break above. Yeah, Roblox is moving, I think. Breaking above VWAP there. And after close today, I understand that there may have been a delay with the YouTube stream. I'm going to look up more on this and see how we can kind of work out and limit the lag on any type of stream that's happening. Swings are mostly reversal plays. GameStop, yeah, once GameStop breaks about 260, that'll be good. Yeah, you can get back in those 105 calls on Roblox if you want, but it's gonna need some more volume. I don't use the MACD. I mean, you can use it. I mostly just use these 8, 21, 50, and 200 EMAs. Auto support, auto resistance. Yeah, we'll try to put out one more small count alert. All right. Can everyone like list in the chat, how they did today? If they did green, red. Um, I just want to see like where we are ballpark. Hey, green. Looks like we're seeing a lot of green here. So it looks like we have let's see, it looks like we have a big kind of, I'd say like, looks like a lot green and then some red. You have, yeah, so essentially on a Friday expiration, remember, it's like the whole thing, we had that big Nvidia call that ran. Um yeah, if you feel like you're missing all the green plays, remember it's key to, yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier before the stream started too. Yeah, there's Facebook breaking above. There's FUTU breaking above. I mean, here's the thing. If you're getting the entry is the main part. In terms of exits, be sure to keep your own exits as well. Uh, take the take exits at your discretion. But almost all of the plays that we took today, except for maybe like one, they all went green before they went red. I'd say if you're getting the entries and then you're messing up on the exits, then I'd say definitely keep your own exits as well. The main thing is getting the entries. Google is breaking above. Market is kind of flat here. Airbnb is getting some volume to the upside. You can sell limit order. I'd sell at the bid or possibly between the bid and the mid. I think we have a lot of plays that are kind of going flat here. What I'm going to do is, yeah, I'd say there's a 5% tolerance to get in. With that said, I'm going to hop off the live stream in a minute and I'll continue posting on Discord. But I'm definitely going to try to figure out how we can, perhaps we can get one which makes my day green again. Yeah. Let's see if we can get one before we hop off here. Yeah, I won't force any plays. Unless I see something good here, then I'm going to take it. Facebook, of course, breaking above. Yeah, Airbnb already ran its course. I wouldn't go chasing after this one. Wow, that Airbnb, not Airbnb, that Facebook 332.5 call is spiking up a bit that we were watching earlier. It just went up by like 50% while I was watching it. Let's see. Yeah, Docu is a bullish triangle ascending. It should ideally break above. AAL, we're still holding. Nvidia, yeah, Nvidia is hiking. All these, all the things are kind of moving up here. You play, but yeah, I play it sometimes when it moves. That, what's it called? Wow, Facebook is putting out a huge candle there. Yeah, Roblox is pulling up around. I saw that one. Alright, I'm gonna hop off the YouTube live. Wow, that Roblox, the Facebook call would have been like 100%, but I'm gonna hop off YouTube live and I'm gonna post calls directly in the Discord. As for Facebook, it's putting out an insane candle right now. That 332.5 call earlier was like 0.2. Same with Google. Google blew its cap. So, with that said, thank you everyone for joining today. I'm going to keep updating in Discord. I'm going to try to resolve this lag that we may be having on the YouTube stream and seeing how we can kind of resolve this. Um, I don't know if it's a YouTube thing or what it is. I know my internet's pretty strong here, but uh, definitely going to look into that. But with that said, have a great day, everyone. Have a great weekend, and let's try to get another 100% play.